a customer of mine basically rented a machine. We told him that this is the machine he's getting, 32 feet by 46 inch. Thing is that in the middle of the job he needed something that is narrower because he couldn't go in to his yard because it was too narrow, the entrance. So he sends me an email last night, and this morning, 10 o'clock this morning, he gets, see, the one of it on my right is 46 inch wide, the one on my left is 32 inch wide, and right now he's going to be able to drive it into his yard, and voila, it's going to be done, and we're going to come and pick it up. But that's what we do. You contact us and we take care of you. Rent-a-tool is accessible and affordable. Have a wonderful day.